Yo guys, what's going on? Mason Doherty here. Welcome back to my YouTubes. Yo Log, you want to say hello? Logs. Logie, you want to say hello? You want to say hello? Funnily enough that he's here right now, this video is a little film that is about this guy. It's nothing crazy, nothing fancy. It's just kind of like a little bit of a day in the life of Logan, aka Gan, aka the brown bear, aka he has a really long list of names. We can talk about that in another video. Gan is his main nickname. Brown bear is just who he is. He is just this big chocolate brown bear to me, and you probably know I love brown bears. My little logo, my photography and videography logo, it's actually a brown bear, but I want it to look like my dog as well. Anyway, I'm going on. This is not what I'm meant to be talking about right now. Let's just roll the film. So yeah, quick little, you know, a simple basic day of a dog, right? But what I think is a beautiful, perfect day for a dog. My best friend, Logan, I love him. I love him so much. And if you've got a dog and you love your dog, I hope that you can maybe take a moment just to like appreciate how epic they are. Like, he's just there for everything. You know, he's there for every single bath that Eden has, every nappy change. He's there every time that I need someone just to, you know, to cuddle just for no reason. You know, just feel like I need a cuddle. He's just a good boy. Anyway, without further ado, let's roll the film. Again, do you have anything else you have to say? Anything else you want to say? Hey, what? Oh, you want to give me a kiss? Again, can I have a kiss? Again, can I have a kiss? Nah. Bye. Let's go. Yo guys, did you anyone notice I've got a haircut? That's a funny story. I just snipped my hair and had to yell out to my friend Hatchie, can she fix it? That was literally just spur of the moment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that film. Logan enjoyed the film. I've showed it to my wife and Eden. Eden actually probably didn't even notice, but I think they liked it as well. Hopefully it kind of hits you in the feels. Simple, but yeah. Anyway, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, do all of those things. I'd really appreciate that. Trying to, again, find some groove and some momentum. Trying to find my groove and some momentum back here on my YouTubes. Anyway, I can keep blabbering on, so I got shit to do. Bye. Love you. Peace.